What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Watch, and the title of the video is Career Criminal Escalates Traffic Stop into Complete Chaos. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
Get ass on. I ain't no warning. Get your ass on. Get your ass on. Get your ass on.
Freddie.
Get your
Freddie.
ass on. Get your ass on.
Fred?
Everything you need to know right here. I ain't drunk. I ain't intoxicated. I don't even do drugs. I didn't feel my friend of thought. Get your dick eating ass on. You ain't got shit to talk about. Get your dick eating ass on. Everything you need to know. Get your dick eating ass on. Get your dick eating ass on. You can see my license. You ain't taking it in your possession.
Hey, do you see what's hanging out of your car?
What?
A drill.
Oh well, so what? That ain't important.
It's dragging along the street.
Oh, so what? That ain't important. That ain't important. Get your dick eating ass on.
You gotta give me your license.
You know, I don't gotta give you shit. I gotta show you it.
Give me your license.
I'm showing you it. I don't gotta give you shit. So get your bitch ass on. Officer Cruz, I'm a black man. I know the law before cases. Get your dick eating ass on.
Okay.
Get your dick eating ass on.
Give me your license. I can't
I ain't gotta get. You see
You're about to get yanked out of the fucking car. Give me your line.
You threatening me? You threatening me?
You're about to get arrested.
I ain't finna get shit. You see it. You see it. I ain't gotta give you my license. I can show you it.
I can't see it. Give me it.
You can.
Give me. Stop reaching for shit too.
You can't shut the fuck up talking to me. Shut the fuck up talking to me. You can't see that? Get your dick eating ass on.
Yeah, give me the license.
I ain't gotta give you shit.
Give me it.
I don't gotta give you shit. Call for a sergeant.
Call for a sergeant?
Yeah.
We'll take care of that in a second, but give me your license.
No, I ain't gotta give you shit when you see it. My flashlight way brighter than yours. Can I flash my shit in your light? The fuck is you talking about? Stop trying to touch me, bitch. This officer sitting right here with my license. I want a license right here, and this bitch ass cop talking about I gotta give him my shit like I'm a dumbass nigga or something. Get your ass out of here. I got two licenses.
Get out of the car.
I ain't gotta give you shit.
Get out of the car.
I ain't gotta do nothing.
Get out of the car.
I ain't gotta do shit. I ain't gotta do shit.
Step out.
Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Going to jail. Nope, you're going to jail. You're going to jail. You're going to jail. That shit don't work on me. That shit don't work on me.
Damn, he eating that taser. I ain't gonna lie.
That shit don't work on me. Get off
That don't work.
Get off me. You hear my taser?
Uh-oh. Put one in your ass.
Cruz, where's he at? Right in here. Get out of the fucking car!
Ain't about to put one in your ass.
Fucking car! Shut the fuck up and get out of the car now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands, Seth! Watch out! Alright! Crawl out! Crawl out to me! Right now! Crawl out to me! Crawl out to me, keeping your hands up! Hey, come to me, I won't do nothing to you! Crawl out! Crawl out of the car! Crawl out of the car, keeping your hands up! Hey, Seth,
Hey,
Cruz,
before they send you to the afterlife.
One of you. This motherfucker just beat my ass. Get out. I will do it. You're gonna get out. You're not listening, though. Okay, this seatbelt's right here. Listen. The seatbelt. Listen to me carefully. The seatbelt is right here. We're gonna pull you out, or you are going to get out. Listen. Stay on the ground. I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop. All right. This motherfucker just beat my ass.
We don't need any more cars.
This motherfucker just beat my ass, bro.
And that's something we can deal with, but you're not listening.
I didn't.
But you're not listening.
I got two licenses. He asked me for one of them. He snatched the other one. He tased me 2 times. He kicked me all in my face.
Just making things more difficult don't make no sense.
This motherfucker just beat me, trying to call himself trying to tase me twice. I don't got no drugs in my system or nothing. Dude just trying to beat my ass. He tased me twice. And I got 2 driver's licenses.
Face the car. Take the pockets.
I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me This motherfucker punched me in my face. He got in my car and got to throwing punches on me. That's why his taser is in my car. How would I get his taser? Y'all pulling the strings from his taser in my fucking head, out my fucking head.
You have another pair of pants on?
Yes, I do. It ain't nothing in them.
I'm trying to make sure. Go ahead and have a seat, please.
That officer Cruz, Tate Cruz, that motherfucker just literally tased me twice. That shit did not work. And then he jumped in the car and got to throwing punches on me. I'm real good.
Hey,
That's how I got his taser.
That taser damn sure enough ain't work, boy. He got him together, boy. He said, man, I'ma tase you. That's like the other dude that the cops ended up, they had to put him down. They had to send him to the afterlife, the other video. I forget when I dropped it, whatever, a few days ago, whatever. But the dude who had the wrong identity or whatever, and they had to put him down, send him to the afterlife. At first, they tased him. That ain't work, boy. The cop asked me, "Do you have any weapons?" He said, "I am the weapon." I said, "Oh boy, this dude's certified nut job." And when they tased him, that thing ain't work, boy. He was on a whole different vibrational level. You feel me? Like he was on some next level shit. So with this dude, it's like the same type of thing. Like he like, yo, that ain't gonna work. I eat those. That ain't about nothing. But yeah, this guy. Now, it's real tricky about the whole license thing, right? Because I know you got to show it to them. You know what I'm saying? And give them an opportunity to write it down. Now, in some cases, I don't know if it's some cases, but it's just me personally. I just give my license to them. You know what I'm saying? I don't. My traffic stops, it don't escalate like this. You know what I'm saying? I'm polite. Most of the time I get off, nothing. You know what I mean? Like, so it's all about how you treat them. You know what I mean? Like, really, that's really how it is. But, yeah, guys that want to escalate, I don't got to give it to you. I just got to show it to you. And they don't want to roll down the window all the way. They only want to crack it and all that because whatever the laws and this is my property. Come on, we ain't got time for all that, man. Traffic stops could be real smooth and real easy. And even before the officers really had them body cams like that, like you was able to get off a lot more. You know what I'm saying? But now they do give you more tickets or whatever, but they still got a little wiggle room. You feel me? Especially if you grab yourself an old timer that was on the job or something like that. You know what I mean? Like they still gonna get you off. You know what I mean? And I'm a black man, okay? I'm a black man, and I get pulled over most of the time by white police, right? And a lot of times I get off. All right, just have a nice day, sir, whatever. Because when they pull up, roll down my windows. I already have my ID registered. I already have everything ready for them. Boom, boom. Oh, how you doing, sir? Boop, boop, whatever. That's, I got off, so it's really not a problem. But, people that just escalate things like this, it don't make no sense.
I got his taser. I told you, I do this shit. I do this shit. In the car. I'm in the car.
Shut up.
You good, Dennis? Oh, yeah, I'm good. Man, all because of this shit. All because of this. All because of this shit.
Oh, he's banging on down low.
Yeah, man, the light was on and everything.
I mean, that adds up.
Honestly, I was just going to tell him, like, hey, man, go grab it. I was going to
It's
run
like,
him.
hey, pick it up. Getting beat
Yeah.
Okay.
We got in a whole fucking brawl for no reason. Or, I mean, because of him, but it didn't have to go like that. That's what I'm saying.
See, and that's exactly what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about right there. The cop was just trying to let you know you had your thing dragging. He's always going to check your ID just to make sure you ain't got no warrants or nothing like that. But if that was the whole case, well, you're going to say, hey, you got something dragging, you know what I'm saying? You pick it up, you know what I mean? Or whatever. And that's the end of it. Not every cop is pulling you over to just give you a ticket or arrest you. You know what I mean?
I could have.
We're gonna get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm gonna help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
I could have. Let him go.
I was just gonna tell him to put it in the car.
Oh, he was dragging that, or?
Yeah, he dragged that lights on. I was like, oh, okay, let me go. And right when I walk up, he's just flicking me off.
I saw that. I just looked at it. I was like, I'm not even going to touch that.
So the jail requires us to get you checked out of the hospital since you've been tased.
I'm cool.
So we gotta go to the hospital and get you cleared. Alright.
Here's the phone, Chuck, and I'm gonna do everything you need to do. Do you got my phone? Do you have
He was
my
tased, he
keys?
needs to get checked out
I
before
was
jail will
tased
accept him.
twice. I was tased twice.
She wouldn't need your name. Go ahead and give it
They took my ID and they took two of
Give
my
her your
licenses.
name.
You give her my name. You give her my name.
I don't have it written down. It's in my car. Just give her your
Right.
name.
You hear that? He wrote me up, wrote a ticket, took my wallet.
Dumbass.
Y'all been in here. He just called me a dumbass.
You are a dumbass. Watch out.
So two of y'all tasers. And all y'all, stop pushing me, dude. You got all my information, but you telling me to give her my information. You coward.
Last name's Wyatt.
Coward. You coward. Look me in my face, you coward. You coward. You just sat in the car and talked to me and took down all that information.
Yeah,
and then
I
go
left it
sit
in the
here
car,
and lie.
so I asked you to give her your name.
Why would you leave it in the car if you
Because I don't
was
need
coming
it inside
from the first place?
I thought you knew the
And
law.
why'd you call me a dumbass? That's improper, disorderly conduct. You know it is. You know it is. That's disorderly conduct, staff misconduct, police brutality. You know it is. Y'all know it is. Real black men. Nothing like yours. Nothing like no gun on my waist. Nothing like no taser and 2 clips. Discuss me and talk about some American flag and justice. Need to turn in y'all badges. Chumps. Call me stupid and call me dumb when you the one wearing a badge with all them weapons.
Oh man. Let's see. Aggravated battery to an officer. Wow. And resisting. Disarming an officer. Now that's the crazy one. Disarming an officer. That's crazy. How is that only a misdemeanor? Ain't that something? You would think that that's a felony, right? But anyways, I get officers. I get an officer a 4. Actually, I give him a 4 because he tried his best. You know what I mean? But this guy was just wilding out from the beginning. You know what I mean? So I give them a 4 out of 5 for sure.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.